Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. So we're underneath a 2013 Dodge Challenger. It's probably the same for the other 2013, 2012 Challengers, Chargers, maybe. We got different differentials. So what we're looking at, this is aluminum right here, aluminum housing. So we're going with the 226 mm rear differential. It's going to be a 75/90 fluid with limited slip fluid additive. So we do have some additive around here somewhere to add to it once we're done. 10mm drain fill plug right here and drain, both 10mm hex. That, and here's the drain right here, same. So the 200 mm and the 215 mm are both cast iron rear differentials, I believe, and not aluminum. That's going to separate them from this one. So I'm just looking it up right now. Try and get back here. 1 minute. Mine are listed as a 200 mm, 215 RII, and a G648. And again, the 200 mm says cast iron, the 215 says cast iron. The G648 actually doesn't say anything about how it's made, but that's the only one that's left, and it's aluminum. So anyone have any doubts about that or thoughts on that, you can certainly put in the questions, but that's what we're going with. So 75/90 plus an additive. Simple. Got our thingamajigger here. We're going to loosen this baby up and drain some fluid. And boom. There's a washer there, didn't fall off, so be aware of the washer. Let it drain out, not very much of course. So we'll let it drain maybe 5 minutes or something like that, and then we'll put the drain plug back in and fill it up. There's probably enough room here. You can get a bottle and squeeze the fluid in. So that was my recommendation. I'm going to put my additive into my bottle after adding a little bit. Since I use this bottle to put the additive in, I'm just going to add more 75/90 to this and continue using this one bottle. Boom. So just under 2 quarts. Still have some left in my bottle. We'll put the bolt in there, drain plug and the fill plug, and tighten them up, and that'll be it. Change your fluid. Hopefully this helps you with your options. And the other one's a cast iron rear differentials. The drain and fill will be a little different, and the fluid's a 75-140 gear lube.